Hey guys, welcome back to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, we're going to continue about the season registry tools in our channel. Okay, so the previous videos we had compared to this how to work with the solid piece. Now we will work about how to work with the modifying tool. Okay, so this is the previous models we had usually in the previous videos. Okay, so here I'm going to explain you one by one tool in this tutorial itself, so it will be easy for you to understand how to work with the modifying piece. Okay, first of all, it is the default tools, which is marked at the top. That is pull tool, fillet, shell, combine, split, and move. So instead of that, I'm going to explain you from this list. Okay, so let's move this board right here. And first of all, select the brush tool. What it is? This brush tool is nothing but guys, just like a bow, it is the move face tool. Watch it. Okay, it is basically used to move the faces without any in the particular direction and without any other deformations. Let me example. Let me set one of the bits here. Okay. So here you can see. Here I already added the thing by. Let's see. But let's see how does it work for feeding this face. When select the page, show the arrow button. Just pull up. And let's observe. So when I click on OK, it's showing some error because we work with a big thread tool. That's why it's showing this extra mesh like this. But let's try it. So we understood that when you work with the pads, it not work with it. That's under the operation. Okay, let's do the first body. Let's select the other labels. Yeah, like this. Select the brush tool again, pull tool. Just select the face. And you can see this moves exactly like how take the deformation. We don't like this face. We let's come. See? When the pulling actually when you work with the texture tool for thickness, it will be on a new extra material within the parallel to this direction. But when we're working with the press pull tool, you just make moving the face with the same dimension as applied to this geometry. Okay, and this is this offset automatic. And if you want, we can do my manually by selecting set, or you can do what when we take this feature. Whatever it is, we need to select the feature. That's for example, let's please select it. Is the one of the feature, right? If that's up to with the features compared with the computer. So I just extruded it and see the pattern, the thread was increased in this point of it because I pulled the hole down. Let's pull the hole up and see what are the changes we can observe. So when you pull up, here you can see when I click on OK, the hole is changed. Here what we did exactly is it changed the feature. That is the thread feature we had applied the previous videos. And see the length of hole is decreased and the number of threads also decreased for the support. In this way, you can work with the press tool. Just like how you work with Onshape. Okay. And the one is Fillet. You know, or how to work with the Fillet. This just makes the sharp pictures into curvy. So select the one of the curvatures and do that way. See? We move the sharp edges into smooth edges. If you don't want it, just click on the button. And if you want to make this edge, it's fully dark or half using the arrows. And the point you have to remember, guys, here in the pop-up window, you can observe that we have several settings. This for the type. Fillet is roll fillet, and pull down fillet. You working with the fillet operation as here shown. Okay. Let's work with it, how to work with the other fillet operation. Before going to that, let's observe that the fillet tool is right here. Here you can see in the fillet itself, we have another drop down. Click on it and you can see tangent and curvature. You know, tangent means the fillet's ring tangent for the both faces. Curvature means it follows the curvature. It's not talking here, you can observe it is like curvature. When you click on the tangent, see, there is some difference between it. You need to observe it. There is also work with the edges. And okay. And we have the various type. Constant, Portland, and variable. It's like a variable fillet. Portland means that so not we need to let's take example. This list is going to take the left. Portland. Yes, for example, in that select the sort of the one to select my pages. Press Ctrl button and select the page. In this with the Portland, it's going to go perfect and okay. If you want to deselect it, press Ctrl and D. Okay. You can tap for deselecting also, it can exist. And we have the tangent gel. If you want to work with the tangent gel or not, that means it's a two voices are connected and they are tangentially connected, and then tangent will apply to the corresponding with also. That is the okay. And tangent width. It means it's nothing but the dimension, how much I want to do. Okay, that's really deep. It's in picture. And you say we have a corner tap of the rolling board, a setback. Where you can observe this rolling board setback. Let's see the picture again. See, rollback means it becomes a roll. The setback means it shows like this. Let me example with the clear one. Okay, let's cancel this. Just hide its body. Take this. Okay. Now let's select make tool. Then select the page. And pull out some distance. As we are both in and with it. Okay. You have the cornerstone. You want power blend. Like this, it's a accordion to close. Just tap on the point. When you know the over the move at the accordion, but it shows some example. The first put the way in the entire feeling to determine its size. That is called with the sheet. Okay. It means the constant one now, and edges, which is to create fillets. That is what we are exactly doing. Okay. See? For rolling board, corner type don't involve it. So when you put the setback, the edge, the point is auto making the fillet shape like this, which it will here plate or want to say if the body is up to you, no wish which fillet you want to work with it. Okay? And it is a tangent about which it's both of applied it also. Okay? Okay, you send the fillet to again. And let's say a take tool fillet. Don't edges based on rules that determine which edges to fillet. If the fillet, let's select the current side edge. It's taking all edges for between faces of edges. So which means it is going to determine the figure between the two faces. But here we do not have any picture. It means it takes depends upon the face. You take all edges, that is also take. Let's check out it's the face. It's going to take the faces. Like this, you can do that. If you want some fillets, you can do that. If you want to rounds only, that is also available. If you want to only, that is on 7. Okay, that is how to work it. And you can also change any set of your back. This time that you're looking here. But what? See, there's a problem that which fillets. That's a bit big. And that's a apply. Self-done and thorough. Here. It's not going to web. So for that, you ordered let me as required. So it's taking the whole body. That is the difference. Okay, guys? That's simply submit. You can see. It's totally taking the whole body. That isn't taking 12 whole fingers and bondages, which is okay. That is how to look with the whole finger. And let's something pull down fillet. So it's asking Chamfer places. And then it's Chamfer places, it takes a pull down, which means get down so the whole fillet here, top of fillet. Okay. Third, oh, it's a Chamfer place, and it's asking side 1. But we go with control. Let's search it. See how that the field is formed. Even with our other two focus of it, it's possible to make the fillet. Just like the how it face. See? That was going to be happy. It automatically detecting the places by itself. So in this way where you can make changes with the fillet of you can perform different type of fillets to the single body, depends upon the your fish. Okay. I hope you might understand how to work the fillet tool and the full press pull tool in this video. And last but not least, in this video, we're going to learn about it is Chamfer. Click on the Chamfer. It is also showing the same pop-up, but do not have like other extra modifications for this Chamfer. Okay? So just like how to work with Chamfer, we're going to make the clear surface for the edges. So we just select the edge. Okay. Select this page and do the Chamfer. Then we get a flat face. in this here, we are working with equal distance. If you want 2 distances, that's also possible. If you want to distance in angle, that's also potential. Okay? Either with the angle, either with the 2 positions, you can work with the board. And if it has the corner type, Chamfer, dirt, and black. Here you can't talk about it. You can't switch in this because it's at the only point. If we want to do for select the other pages, just until the time to positive, they can do this by flow. That is simple. No see, is not something that and tangentially connect the pages. So we can perform the table for the spaces. See, look, got this bullet button on the Chamfer. Now set the Chamfer times corner times. Better it should be like this, and this should be like this. And the blend should be like this only because we work with the cube shape. For the other shape, it really comes with different percentage, depends upon that how many places it's going to be in template. Because see, this one is on this historically takes 6 faces. Going to back. At the point only we get like this, so one we can observe. So let's do the Chamfer operation for these pages. If we are then this you should don't want to work with it. Again, we'll select it. Okay, here you can see then have another section set. Okay, in the section set, you can send other. Okay. Let's sell this process and go to investment or insert pictures and to take value. That's it. Because of the plan, here how many percent is it here? 1, 2, 1, 2, 6, check it. But in the smooth edge, it's not days. It's checked forward blank. For bit better, get like this. If you want Chamfer, it can be advantage. So based on your book, we can work with different type of Chamfers in Fusion360 of your models. Okay, this is how we can work with the Fillet tool, Window, and Chamfer tool in Fusion360, which is very useful and have more features to work with easily. Okay, guys. If you like this content, please do like, share, subscribe our channel, guys. It will be very helpful for making the good content for me and improve myself without making the good quality videos. That would be helpful to make you get interest and learn from our channel. And thanks for watching till the end. Thank you, guys.